Hi guys, we've been discussing hair transplant surgery for many days. Today we are discussing the hair transplant surgery in male gender. This is surgical treatment of hair loss. As we discussed the medical treatment of hair loss, and now we are discussing surgical treatment of the hair loss. It is very important to go to a proper doctor for hair transplant surgery because he knows how to do it and what the procedure is feasible for you at your particular age and particular donor area and particular recipient area, and who will be doing this. Hair transplant surgeon qualified by American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery. Why American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery? This is a very refined examination to refine the hair transplant surgeons in the whole world. This is only qualification available in the whole world. And keep in mind, you are going for hair job, not for appendectomy, not for cholecystectomy. You are going for hair transplant surgery, and the doctor should be qualified in hair, only hair. He will be answering your questions, scientific questions on the hair transplant surgery. He will not be doing a business with you. He will be answering your particular questions related to your job.